In this video, we are going to see how we can mute a TikTok notification from a specific account, or how you can mute a TikTok account completely. So if you're receiving a lots of notifications from a specific sender that is continuously uploading, updating, post, or sharing something on TikTok, and you would just want to mute the notifications, you don't want to actually delete that person from your friend list, but just you want to mute the notifications. So what you can do is just find the person in the inbox. That is the simplest method of doing this. Click on the inbox down here at the bottom, and you can either find it from here. You will see all of those persons. So for example, this is the person I want to mute the notifications for. Click on that, and once their chat is open, next to this on the top right hand corner is this three dots. Click on these three dots and you will see a couple of options. From here, we will click on mute notifications, and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.